just took off from the traffic stop on approach.
He's actually getting held on behind now.
Clear.
Well, he just ran a red line in Glendale. We're passing Pardee Road. 1050, rolled over, start EMS.
Put your hands up right now! Put your hands up! Put your hands in the air! Drop it! Steady, well, shots fired. He's still fire! He dropped it! 6 Eddie Weldon, I believe he's been shot. He dropped the gun. I don't know if anyone else is in the car.